Walls. They are more than just structural elements in our homes. They're the backdrop of our lives, silently supporting the moments that matter most. They hold our family photos, our favorite artwork, and the memories we cherish. They witness all the laughter, the stories, the everyday moments that make a house a home. From birthday celebrations to quiet evenings, walls are there, absorbing the essence of our lives. But let's be honest, walls can get overlooked. Over time, they collect dust, grime, and even fingerprints, becoming dull and lifeless. We often focus on floors, countertops, and all those high-traffic areas, ensuring they are spotless and gleaming. But clean walls? They make a world of difference. A simple wipe-down can transform a room, making it feel new and vibrant. Clean walls brighten a room, instantly making it feel fresher and more inviting. They enhance the overall aesthetic, making your home look well-maintained and cared for. They reflect light better, creating a sense of spaciousness. Natural light bounces off clean surfaces, illuminating every corner and making spaces feel larger and more open. And let's not forget the health benefits. Dust, allergens, and even mold can accumulate on walls, affecting the air we breathe and potentially causing health issues. Regular cleaning helps to remove these harmful particles, creating a healthier environment for everyone. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about well-being. So the next time you're cleaning, don't forget your walls. A little effort goes a long way in maintaining a beautiful, healthy home. Clean walls are a reflection of a clean life, and they contribute significantly to the comfort and happiness of your living space. Ready to make your walls shine? Stick around as we dive into the best tips and tricks for cleaning painted walls and walls covered with wallpaper. Let's get started. Ready to give your walls some love? Great. Let's ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of natural cleaning. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy cleaning kit. Here's what you'll need: 2 buckets, one for your cleaning solution, one for rinsing. Microfiber cloths. These are gentle on surfaces and super absorbent. A soft bristled brush, perfect for dusting and light scrubbing. A vacuum with a dusting attachment, your secret weapon for reaching high corners. White vinegar, a natural cleaning powerhouse. Baking soda, a gentle, abrasive, and odor neutralizer. Essential oils are optional. Just add a few drops of your favorite scent for a touch of aromatherapy. See? Simple, natural ingredients you probably already have on hand. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning tips. Let us know in the comments which tip was your favorite. Before we dive into washing, let's tackle the dust bunnies. Dusting might seem basic, but it's the foundation of clean walls. Start high, go low. Use your vacuum's dusting attachment to remove cobwebs and dust from ceiling corners and moldings. Work your way down the walls. Gentle sweeping. For textured walls, use your soft bristled brush to gently whisk away dust. Microfiber magic. Dampen a microfiber cloth. Don't soak it. And lightly wipe down your walls, working from top to bottom. That's it. Regular dusting keeps your walls looking fresh and prevents dust from building up and becoming harder to remove. Section 4. Natural solutions for sparkling painted walls. Keeping your painted walls looking fresh and clean can be a challenge, especially if you have kids, pets, or just a busy household. But don't worry, you don't need harsh chemicals to get the job done. In this section, we'll show you how to use natural solutions to make your painted walls sparkle. Painted walls are pretty durable, but they still need a little TLC. Over time, dust, fingerprints, and other grime can build up, making them look dull and dirty. Regular cleaning can help maintain their appearance and extend their lifespan. Here's how to get them sparkling clean using our natural cleaning arsenal. First, the vinegar solution. Vinegar is a fantastic natural cleaner that can tackle a variety of household cleaning tasks. It's non-toxic, biodegradable, and safe for most surfaces, including painted walls. Fill your bucket with warm water and add half a cup of white vinegar. The warm water helps to loosen dirt and grime, while the vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and deodorizer. Your walls will not only look clean, but smell fresh too. Next, dip and wring. Dip your microfiber cloth into the vinegar solution and wring it out thoroughly. Microfiber cloths are ideal for cleaning painted walls because they're gentle and won't scratch the surface. You want the cloth damp, not dripping wet. Too much water can damage the paint and cause streaks, so make sure to wring out the cloth well. Then use gentle circular motions. This helps to lift dirt and grime without damaging the paint. Be sure to apply light pressure and let the vinegar solution do the work. Using gentle circular motions, wipe down your walls. This method is effective for removing fingerprints, smudges, and other marks that can make your walls look dirty. Start from the bottom and work your way up to prevent streaks. Gravity can cause dirty water to run down the wall, so starting at the bottom helps to avoid streaks and ensures a more even clean. Finally, rinse and dry. Once you've cleaned a section, rinse your cloth in clean water, wring it out, and wipe down the wall again to remove any soapy residue. This step is important to ensure that no cleaning solution is left behind, which can attract more dirt over time. Your painted walls will be gleaming. Regular maintenance with natural solutions like vinegar can keep your walls looking fresh and new. Plus, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that you're using safe, eco-friendly products in your home. Section 5. Gentle care for wallpapered walls. Wallpaper can add so much character to a room, but it requires a gentler touch than painted walls. Unlike painted surfaces, wallpaper is more delicate and can be easily damaged if not handled properly. The intricate designs and textures that make wallpaper so appealing also make it more susceptible to wear and tear. Therefore, it's essential to know the right techniques to maintain its beauty and longevity. Here's how to keep your wallpaper looking its best. First, dusting is key. Dust can accumulate on the surface of the wallpaper, dulling its appearance and potentially causing damage over time. Regular dusting helps to maintain the vibrancy of the wallpaper and prevents dust from settling into the paper's texture. Regularly dust your wallpaper using a soft bristled brush or your vacuum's dusting attachment. A soft bristled brush is gentle enough to avoid scratching the surface while effectively removing dust. Alternatively, a vacuum with a dusting attachment can be used to gently lift dust without causing any harm. Make sure to use the vacuum on a low setting to avoid pulling or tearing the wallpaper. This prevents dust from settling into the paper's texture. Dust particles can be abrasive, and if left unchecked, they can cause the wallpaper to deteriorate over time. By regularly removing dust, you can keep your wallpaper looking fresh and new. Next, the spot cleaning solution. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, stains can appear on your wallpaper. Whether it's from accidental spills, fingerprints, or other sources, it's important to address these stains promptly to prevent them from setting in. Mix a paste of baking soda and water. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that can lift away light stains without damaging the wallpaper. It's a natural and effective cleaning agent that is safe to use on most types of wallpaper. The paste should be thick enough to adhere to the stain, but not so thick that it becomes difficult to remove. A good consistency is similar to that of toothpaste. Then, test a hidden area. Before you tackle any stains, test your cleaning solution on an inconspicuous area of your wallpaper to ensure it doesn't cause any discoloration. This step is crucial because different wallpapers can react differently to cleaning agents. Apply a small amount of the paste to a hidden corner or behind a piece of furniture and wait for it to dry. If there is no adverse reaction, you can proceed with confidence. After that, dab, don't rub. When applying the cleaning paste, use a gentle dabbing motion rather than rubbing. Rubbing can cause the stain to spread and may damage the wallpaper's surface. Allow the paste to sit for a few minutes to work its magic. The baking soda will help to lift the stain from the wallpaper without causing any harm. Finally, wipe and dry. Once the stain is gone, it's important to remove any residue from the cleaning paste. Use a soft, damp cloth to gently wipe away the paste, being careful not to saturate the wallpaper. Excess moisture can cause the wallpaper to peel or bubble. With a little care, your wallpaper will stay beautiful for years to come. Regular maintenance and gentle cleaning techniques will ensure that your wallpaper remains a stunning feature in your home. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the elegance and charm of your wallpaper for a long time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. Your support helps us create more content to keep your home looking its best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.